welcome back to the botany class. Today we are continuing chapter 1 in botany, asexual and sexual reproduction in plants, in which double fertilization and triple fusion. Now children, we will continue the fertilization, events of fertilization in which double fertilization and triple fusion. We already discussed about what is fertilization. Let us see about double fertilization now. C.G. Noaschin and Wignard in the year 1898 and 1899 observed lilium plant and fritillaria. In these plants, male gametes released from a male gametophyte are involved in the fertilization. Both male gametes released from a male gametophyte, it's nothing but pollen grain, are involved in fertilization, they observe. They fertilize two different components of the embryo sac because two male gametes are seen. Both the male gametes are involved in the fertilization, hence it is called double fertilization. There are two male gametes, one is fusing with the egg or female gamete, another one fuses with one more cell. So fertilization that occurs in angiosperm two times, hence we call it double fertilization. First, just we look after what is fertilization. In male gametophyte, there are two male gametes are produced. Male gametes are produced from the generative nucleus of the pollen grain by mitosis. Male gametes are haploid in nature. One of the male gamete out of two which fuses with the female gamete or egg. So out of two male gametes, one of the male gamete that fuses with the nucleus of egg or the female gamete and it forms zygote. This phenomena of fusion of male nucleus and female nucleus is called syngamy. It's called what? Syngamy. Syn union, gamy marriage. Okay. So this forms zygote. After the fertilization over, zygote is formed. Okay children. Next, I told you there are two male gametes are produced by a male gametophyte. The one is fusing with generally the female gamete forms zygote. It's called fertilization. But one more male gamete is there. It is called second male gamete. The second male gamete, look at the picture. The second male gamete that found in the pollen tube is fusing with the secondary nucleus or the polar nuclei of the embryo sac. The second male gamete is fusing with the polar nuclei or secondary nucleus that present the embryo sac is called as double fertilization. Is called what? Double fertilization. So second male gamete which released into the embryo sacs nearby the synergids migrates towards the central cell. It is called a secondary nucleus or polar nuclei, where it fuses is called double fertilization. The fusion of polar nuclei and the second male gamete is called double fertilization. The product of the double fertilization is called as primary endosperm nucleus. PEN we used to say. Primary endosperm nucleus. Remember, male gamete is haploid. The central cell found in the embryo sac is generally diploid. So 2n plus 1 which gives 3n. It is called triploid. So double fertilization which takes place by fusing of the second male gamete in the pollen tube, and the central cell in the embryo sac. In this double fertilization, there are three nuclei are involved. The involvement of the three nuclei in this phenomena in angiosperm called as triple fusion. How? One male gamete plus two N nucleus that present
Thank
in
you very
the
much,
central
children.
cell.
In the next
So
class,
one
we will
haploid
continue.
second
Once
male
again, thank
gamete
you.
fusing with a diploid secondary nucleus at the center cell is called a triple fusion. Once a triple fusion gets over, the result is form of endosperm. So the result of triple fusion which forms endosperm. Endosperm is the nutritive tissue for the embryo. So what is the end of the double fertilization? The product of the double fertilization is called what? When the primary endosperm nucleus later become endosperm. Endosperm is the nutritive tissue, children. So endosperm which is act as a nutritive tissue. Okay.
Thank you, students. Thank you once again. We will meet in another class.